So my name's Ryan Fogelman. I'm with Fire Rover. For those of you that don't know me, I've been doing research on waste and recycling facility fires since 2015. And what's interesting, and you'll read in the Waste 360 article that I put together for the month of June, we've had an increase in fires since the pandemic has ended. And what's interesting is that, I know that heat causes fires, right? The dryness causes fires. We know that lithium-ion batteries are causing fires, but something's been happening. In 2018, we had a number of fires, and I called that the lithium-ion battery year. That was kind of the year that, in my mind, the industry really got hit by these lithium-ion battery fires. But what's happening now is in the last 90 days, we've had more fires than we've ever had. So what I'm thinking, and again, it just hit me, I was trying to understand, is there a different type of material as we leave our homes and we go back into offices, and when we came out, what's the one thing that has really changed about our trash stream and our recycling stream? And I think the one thing you can say is the prevalence of hand sanitizer. And hand sanitizer is literally in everything. And once it hit me, I'm like, okay, we have a ton of different sparks, but what could be that accelerant? And hand sanitizer, as most of you know, have ethyl alcohol. And then, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you guys, I'm gonna burn some of it and show you how, how flammable it really is. But, so basically we're gonna take some cotton balls, we're gonna put hand sanitizer in it. And again, all the different hand sanitizer is the same. We're gonna place this on here. We're gonna make sure that it's off my hands because, this is very flammable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light this, and you can see that, with a little spark, it actually burns pretty clear. So, it's you can see it in the fire, and I have a fire extinguisher here if we need it. But it burns pretty clear, as you can see there. So, it's kind of interesting when we're seeing these fires on tip floors and in MRFs and in transfer stations. Really the question becomes, are we not seeing this piece of it and we're only seeing the lithium-ion battery with the metal? Because this is actually going to burn itself out pretty much. So it'd be really hard to know. So if you read my article, just wanted to show you that. I think from a hand sanitizer perspective, it's a big problem. So, I'm looking at the industry to figure out what that solution is. And if you have any ideas, feel free to share them, or send me an email at rfogelman@firerover.com. Thanks a lot, I appreciate it.